everyone out there? It is Tom Knotek with Reimagined Sail and Ski, and cutting right to the chase. I've got a 2022 Harris Sunliner 230 that's out there and available right now. Hasn't been in stock too long, so really your chance, if you're looking for something like this, to reach out to me, reach out to Reimagined, and we can get you taken care of. I'm going to take you through this boat real quick, and then I'm going to run you through 3 features I really like on this specific boat. Starting off, sterling gray on this boat with a midnight blue accent. You'll see that black powder coated fencing rub rail on it, which is really nice. This one does have the CW for center walkthrough, so maximizing your space through the inside of the boat. This is a great layout if you're looking for something like that. This one has the navy blue 10-foot bimini on it. That's one that you can add another bimini in the future with no problems. This one does have performance level 1 on it, which gets you, it is a tri-tune. It'll have the 25-inch diameter aluminum tunes on it, and I believe this one has a little bit smaller gas tank on it. This one has the 150 Mercury best-in-class 4-stroke, and it has the hydraulic steering. Has gray seagrass, which is good with that French gray vinyl this one has in the inside. It's got premier trim level packaging, getting you a bunch of different features, from an extended swim platform, does have a single battery, quick release system. You will have the 4-step, this is actually standard, the stainless steel telescoping folding ladder, an upgraded steering wheel is part of the package. And you will have that black acrylic table that you can pull out and stow away when you need to use it. This one does have a 7-inch Simrad screen, and it's got the upgraded stereo, stainless steel tow bar that comes with that ski tow bar on the, actually it's just loaded with that. Now here, taking you through some of my favorite features. This is pretty cool feature right here. So the changing station, pretty cool feature. I do create content, so you can go check out the videos I've made on the Reimagined site, but this is a very cool feature for changing in and out of bathing suits. Second one I want to go through is these retractable armrests. This is standard on the Sunliner. When you make it up to the Sunliner trim, you get these pop-out retractable armrests, which I think is a really cool feature. I really like that feature for comfort. Then the last thing I want to go through is the Helm, and there's plenty on here this boat has. It's got the wireless phone charger on it. It does have an upgraded system where you get the JL head unit. It's got that 7-inch Simrad screen for all your instrumentation, like I said, and it has that upgraded steering wheel. So some really cool stuff going on with this boat. You can contact me at 512-774-0866 if you like this boat. If you're looking for someone to navigate you through different options that are available, I can do that. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel if you're looking for more content to get an idea of what boats are available or to get walkthroughs on boats. And we appreciate likes and comments, but thanks for following along, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Tom Knotek signing off.